good friends, white blood cells are one of the substances floating in blood plasma. White blood cells are one of the substances that float in the blood plasma. You remember what I said, that that fluid contains some cells that float. Okay, one of them is red blood cells and also white blood cells. So white blood cells, my good friends, they are completely different from red blood cells. Their functions are different from that of red blood cells. We can just see from the names, white, red. So now, what are the functions of white blood cells? So white blood cells are part of the immune system. Yes, part of immune system. Part of the system that fight against foreign substances, foreign living organisms in entering the body. Okay, so white blood cells are part of the immune system. So what they normally do is they protect the body by killing bacteria. Because their job is to defend. Defend and protect. Same, white blood cells. They defend and protect the body from bacteria or any bacterial infection. So we normally call these as the pathogens. Yes, we refer to them as pathogens. Let me just write that. Pathogens. So it is the job of the white blood cells to fight bacteria. All right, so pathogens, yes. So these are to Colombo, yes. Those that can cause diseases in our body. So it is the job of white blood cells to fight them. So now, let's talk about the difference between red blood cells and the white blood cells. So it's very easy to distinguish them. It's very easy to know the difference. Okay? Okay, so the white blood cells are much bigger. Remember we said red blood cells are small substance, right? Small cells. You remember? Yeah. But for the white blood cells are bigger than them. And then the white blood cells, they have a nucleus. Okay? And they are actually available in a small amount. They are available in smaller amounts. So those are just few ways we can identify or differentiate the red blood cells and the white blood cells. So if I say that they are much bigger, that means the red blood cells are smaller. If we say with a nucleus, that means the red blood cells has no nucleus. If we say they are fewer, that means the red blood cells are a little more than the white blood cells. All right. Now let's talk about types of white blood cells. How about that? 10.